What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with Denthogs Paintless Dent Repair. Just wanted to bring you a video that we actually did a long time ago on a Harley Davidson gas tank. It's a 100th anniversary edition, and it had a 6-inch crease on the lower right-hand side. Pretty bad dent, but we repaired it with Paintless Dent Repair, saving the 100th anniversary paint and the tank from getting replaced or bondoed and painted. And the customer was really happy with the repair. So we're going to go ahead and show you the damage, and then show you how we repaired it with Paintless Dent Repair, and then the finished results at the end. So thanks for taking the time to check this out. Let's go ahead and roll the video. So we have the gas tank mounted to our vise stand, and right now you're looking at the tool that we're primarily going to be using to reshape this damage. We're going to be working the crease from the left-hand side to the right-hand side, and we're going to be tapping down on some of the crowns that have emerged around the outer edge of the dent to relax that metal and help it to be able to be reshaped a little easier. Now we do have a heat gun set up on this, keeping it nice and hot. That will prevent the paint from cracking during the repair, and you can see that we have already made some really big headway with the tank. We did have that repair sped up a good bit. These types of repairs do take a good bit of time, so we will usually speed up the camera so you can see what's going on. Now, the tank does have some paint damage to it. We were showing it there just a minute ago. We wet sanded and buffed the tank, and we're able to clean up a good bit of that, but there is a little bit of paint damage that was through the top layer of clear down into the paint. But overall, we were able to clean up most of that and save the customers 100th anniversary edition paint. So you're seeing the after video of the repair here. You can see how well this crease turned out, and the customer was just blown away. I believe he was going to put a little bit of touch-up paint on those lower little chips there. And here's a outside look at it. You can see in the natural light how well this repair turned out. If you'd like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can find us online at motorcycledents.com.